What's up, guys? Crypto Will here. Sorry, I have not posted in literally like a month. I'm starting to get back. I had a lot of things to take care of, and 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 I should be able to start making some more videos again. So I'm gonna do a video over Litecoin today because I know I did one in the past. I just want to do a little update on it, and we'll check the coin market cap as well, like we always have in the past. Now, current the market cap is down 342 billion dollars. It was maxed at 750. So we are still down, but we should see some recovery. BTC dominance is almost 50%. It's at 44%. Now, Bitcoin had a big jump last night. I had a few people message me when I was asleep. I just woke up literally probably an hour ago, about 12:30, and got ready and decided to make the video so I didn't forget for you guys. Bitcoin had a nice jump last night. It's most likely going to come retrace back down a little bit the rest of the day. It already had that big jump, and who knows, we may have another big jump. Bitcoin could be starting on the rise. We never know. That was a huge jump last night. I'll actually show you guys that before I map out Litecoin. We see Ethereum, Ripple, still the top. Ripple's at 70 cents. I mean, Ripple had its big move, and it's just not doing too well anymore. It's mostly owned by banks, as I said. It's not really a cryptocurrency in my eyes. I don't really like the idea of Ripple, but you can trade Ripple and make a decent amount as well. Since it's so low, like if you know how to buy and then sell your coins at the right time, you can make a decent amount of money. Litecoin sitting at number 5. That's where we're going to be going over today. We had a 7.33% growth. Basically, all these charts are green. Like we've had since Bitcoin had that big push, most of these other coins are going to have a big push, and they did, as we see there. All the top coins, like I said in the past, are still there. I said these were going to dominate, and they are. They are. Dash, Monero, IOTA, EOS, Stellar, Neo, Cardano, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Ethereum, Bitcoin. They are still the tops. Even I have not made videos, they are still the tops. I told you guys, these are the coins. These are like, if any of these coins last, I'll be surprised. There's going to be, in the future, there's going to be only not so many coins. We're not going to have many, those ICOs, not many of those small coins, like 2 cents. We're going to have mainly big coins in here. So you guys need to invest in the coins that are going to stay. You don't want to get screwed over, okay? Now, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything's your own risk. I'm just helping you guys out on what I think will happen. And I think, these top coins are the only ones that are going to be here down the road, okay? You can still trade these. But in the future, definitely we will not have many coins. So just be wary of that. Just be wary of that, because we don't know where we're gonna go. We don't know where, it'll just happen. Okay. So I'm gonna show you BTC real quick before we go over this Litecoin chart here. I have not mapped anything out. I'm gonna do it with you guys. As we see Bitcoin on the hourly chart this morning, last night we had a big jump. We had a big, nice move up. Like literally since the 19th, we jumped from 7.4K to 8.8K. So that was a decent jump. But as you see, we're fighting this resistance right here. I'm just going to map that out for you guys real quick. You see how we have some resistance support here? That is our next move there. If it breaks through this, then it's safe to say it's going to keep coming up to our next major point, probably up here around the 9.5 area, somewhere around there, maybe even 10,000. This high up here, 9.9 thousand, right there. So just look out for that. And let me go over to the Litecoin chart, and we'll look at Litecoin today. I'm gonna go on the bigger time frame, the 4-hour, and overall, we're in basically consolidation. Since the beginning of March, we're in a downtrend, but overall, we've been trading in this zone, right? It's been through here since the beginning of 2018. It's just been moving back and forth. So if you guys noticed that, you could have bought here, sold when we had the reverse, bought here, you know, sold up here, or sold here, you know, wait for it to come down. It's near a buying point. It's near a buying point. It's touched this point 3 times. Who's to say it's not going to come back down and touch 110 again? So just be on the lookout for that. I do not think it will break 110. I do not think. So if it comes to 110, once again, I'm not a financial advisor, but that is a very good buy. That is a very good buy. You see how it forces off that level because there's resistance here. This was back when Litecoin first took off. This is like a low, 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 and it's touched it twice in the past. It almost touched it 3 times here. So this is telling me it's going to come back down. It's going to come back down, guys. And it may, you know, take a couple weeks to do so because this is the 4-hour chart. So every 4 candles is 1 day on here. So, you know, it's going to take a little bit. But if we look over, we're on the downtrend. We're on the downtrend, guys. So, and we have our zone right here. We have a zone right here. Right? It just bounced off this zone here. So it may come back up. It's fighting this zone, as you see right there. It's fighting this zone. So it may make a double bottom right here or break even lower. So the buy, in my eyes, is right through here. 130 to 110. Be on the lookout. Buy it low as you can. Obviously, some people are impatient. Just look at the chart every now and then, see if it keeps pushing down. If you start seeing a reversal happening, then that's a good sign, right? See how we had this big wick just rejecting off the level, and then we had a nice reversal candle right here as well. That's the sign to buy. You want to look for the candles, guys. Look for the reversal candles. And I'll remove this downtrend here. I'm going to draw a Fibonacci just to see where we're lying. We'll take it from this low to our high up top here. And that's what it's fighting right now. We're fighting the 0.618. Fighting the 0.618. So, as I said, it's going to come around this level. I can even shorten this zone even just through here. Through this level, like I said, 130 to 120, 110, somewhere in this area. I'll just put it right in the middle of those two. Okay, but that's the move I am seeing for you guys. Okay, I make these videos so you can get a better outlook on what's happening. Okay, I trade forex. I chart a lot of stuff, and back in the past, if you look at what I've mapped out, it's generally right. It's generally right. Okay, but I can be wrong. So I'm not saying every video is going to happen as I say it is. Okay, but in my eyes, I'm seeing it come to the 0.786 or even the full retracement again, somewhere in this zone. So 130 to 100. Just look out for that. Just look out for that. Okay, and that's the move. That's the move. We just wait for that move to happen. Now, if you're trading it in a broker, you can definitely know. You can sell. You can sell and make money, selling it. For those of you who know what I'm talking about. But some people who just trade the coins by buying the actual coin, you only make money buying the coin. Okay, you can't make money selling the coin, right? So if you trade in the broker, look for some sells as well. See how we have this constant push down, big push down, and then it consolidates a little bit, big push down, consolidates a little bit, big push down. It's consolidating right now. Who's to say this is not going to push down right back into a zone? That's what I'm seeing. Okay, guys, that's what I'm seeing. Now, overall, back to where's Litecoin going to go in the next month or so? Back up to our our zone up top, 230 to 250, where it's been fighting mainly this whole beginning of 2018. It's most likely going to come back up there. So if you buy down here, that's about double. That's about double the price. Each coin you have. Each coin you have. So just be on the lookout for that, guys. And Next, obviously, like next price point, if it happened to break, I would say is about 300, right? 300, where these two zones are sort of fighting each other, where they bounced off, right? Because we have resistance support through here, we have resistance support through here, and then obviously our lows down here where we had some big bounces. So that's what we're looking at, guys. I will take a screenshot of this chart. I may do it on the daily, so it's just a little bit better here. As you see, it's a lot more, together. It's a lot more, smaller. It looks a little bit better. As you see, what does it look like it's forming? Up, down, up, up, no, down, up, down into the zone, making a W, right? It may not come all the way back up. It may just come here. Like I said, again, and it'll continue back down and continue soliding. But at some point, it's got to break levels. So it'll either break lower, which I do not think it will. So in my eyes, it's got to break at least back up to, our recent highs around there. Okay, maybe not a high, but around this level of 300. So if you buy around 110 and you're a hodler and you hold your coins, 300, or even just 220, somewhere around there. Double, triple your investment. So that's just my look on it. I will take a screenshot of this just for you guys so you can have it, and I'll post a link down below. Hope you guys have a good day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna try to upload every other day or every single day once again. I'm sorry I have not posted so much. I even have literally people emailing me wanting to do reviews on their exchanges, reviews on their ICOs. Like, I've missed so much, guys. Like, I'm literally getting emails and I haven't posted. I'm getting subscribers every day and I'm not posting. Like, that tells me that these videos people somewhat enjoy and like to watch. The crypto game is still here, guys. I haven't been too much on the crypto game. I've been more forex trading. I do streaming. I do streaming now on this one app. Maybe swing a little side extra income. I do graphic design. I'm always busy now, guys. So I'm taking the time out of the day to make the videos for you. So I'm gonna try to do that again. I promise you. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the Litecoin overview for March to April to May, somewhere around there. I think we're going to see this happen. Peace, guys. Peace.